pass it on from one maker to the next. Share a little creativity with the Janome Memory Craft 6700P. Visit janome.com.au to find a store near you.
Start sewing right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701 from Brother.
Create a wide variety of sewing projects with Singer's heavy-duty sewing machine. At 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine sews faster than standard sewing machines. The heavy-duty motor allows this machine to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. From silk to cotton to denim, the Singer heavy-duty sewing machine can handle it all. Fabrics effortlessly slide across the machine arm with the built-in stainless steel metal plate. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. After easily threading the machine, you'll be ready to sew in no time with the automatic needle threader. And when you're ready to sew a buttonhole, just insert a button into the foot, and away you go with the fully automatic one-step buttonhole. Attach buttons in just seconds with the button sewing foot. With nearly 24 basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, this machine is perfect for home dec, crafts, fashion sewing, and more. Singer is sewing made easy.
Hi and welcome. We're taking a closer look at the Brother CS7000X. So this is a great machine if you're going to be just starting out with sewing. It has features that are super easy to learn, and it is an upgrade from a more basic machine. So it has enough stitches and feet to give you a really good variety without being too overwhelming for a beginner. You're going to find this machine is super user-friendly. It's going to be good for your small business, hobby, and Etsy shops. So if you're looking for a starter machine, you'll find that it has all the features that you'll need to make everything from fashion designs to quilting. It has 70 built-in stitches, basic, decorative, heirloom, quilting, and buttonholes, with 7 auto-size buttonholes. This is not Brother's more advanced machine, but it will still take some time to learn because it is a step up from more basic machines. So before you start, do go over the manual because there's lots of tips and information about the proper tension and just general use about the machine. This is an easy machine to learn on. You will just have to take your time and get to know the functions. So there's an LCD display and a threading system, and that pushes the thread right through the needle for you because we all know how aggravating that can be trying to get our needles threaded, especially with frayed ends. And it's going to stitch through almost all fabrics easily. It will sew through thin and heavier fabrics like canvas, as long as the tension is set properly for the fabric that you're going to be using. And it has a metal frame. The metal frame will help keep your machine sturdy while sewing, and a fixed needle bar. And that means that the needle is fixed in place while you work, and this helps with clean stitching and even lines. It has free arm capabilities, and that allows you to easily sew things like cuffs and skinny jeans. And the free motion sewing will allow you to sew your quilts and designs in any direction, so you're not just limited to a straight line. And that just opens up even more possibilities when using this machine. It's especially helpful with intricate and more fancy designs. There's 10 sewing feet, so you'll have zigzag, overcasting, which is the foot you're going to be using for finishing off your piece to prevent fraying, monogramming, zipper, blind stitch, and that's the foot to use when you want the stitching to be hidden, buttonhole, button, piecing, walking, and quilt guide. And there's a top drop-in bobbin. So you just set it right in there super easily. There's a clear cover so you can see what's happening in there while you're sewing. And then for helpful extras, it has a wide table to use for larger projects. It has a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute. So that's a great beginner speed, and the speed control is right on the front for you. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.
Looking to explore fashion and creative sewing? Introducing the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW, the computerized sewing and quilting machine. Showcase your talents with its beautiful built-in stitches, including decorative stitches, buttonhole stitches, and 55 alphanumeric stitches. View and adjust your stitches on the large backlit LCD display. Plus, so many versatile feet means so many creative sewing options. Blind hems, overcast seams, zippers, buttonholes, and buttons, monogramming, straight stitches, and even free motion sewing. Get more freedom with an expansive workspace and features that make sewing fun and easy, like an advanced needle threading system, quick set drop-in top bobbin, and thread tension control. Take your creative sewing to the next level with the Brother Project Runway XR9550 PRW computerized sewing and quilting machine.